Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find your QR code on the Zepeto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on this profile button down below on the right side corner of the screen. And in the middle of the screen on the right side you can find this QR code button, so tap on it and here you can see your QR code. If you tap on it you can select from a bunch of options, so each time you tap the pose and the background color will change, as you can see it here. If you would like to, you can save it by tapping on the save button down below. You can also share it with your friends by tapping on the share button. You can copy it or scan it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.